Take 2.
There you go. All right, day 5, back in Arches at 7:30 in the morning to get the morning light photographs. Today is going to be full of parks, and we're going to go to another canyon. Hopefully we can get some good views there. And then on to Salt Lake City. Right here.
That's the plan.
That's the plan. We'll see if we stick to it. Later. All right, just to go ahead and show that we only don't get out of the car to eat. Kirsten chose the park. I've chose the batshit crazy thing to do.
So we're standing at the edge in Canyonlands National Park. This is the Green River overlook spot. It's very
high.
Very high and looks very dry down there. So I'm not sure how big this river is.
All right.
Cue know me.
Cue know me. All right. What a day. If you ever get out to Arches, Moab, Arches, first thing in the morning, say
cool.
7 a.m. Pretty cool when the sunrise is coming in. Got a lot of video there. From there, we went down to...
We had lunch in Moab, and then we went to Canyonlands National Park, which is being up on the tippity top and looking down into big, giant canyons. I
will insert some photos, and plus by now you've seen the little video break that we made to prove that we do get out of the car. So we're heading to Salt Lake City right now. Should be there by, I don't know, about an hour and 40 minutes. And then I get to start editing. But it's been an amazing day. Seriously, if you've never been to Moab, gotta go. Do it. And I will say...
2 gnomes up.
That was only 1 gnome up.
2
There's
gnomes
a second up. Okay. All right. So 2 gnomes up for Moab, and we'll catch you on the flip side.